Hello and welcome to this video. Today we'll talk about SEO, a term you might have heard often if you're interested in websites, online business, or digital marketing. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what SEO is, why it is important, and how it works, all in a very simple way. Let's begin. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving your website or online content so that it appears higher on search engines like Google when someone searches for related topics. For example, if you search for healthy breakfast recipes, the websites that show up on the top of the results page are likely using SEO techniques. The better your SEO, the higher your chances of appearing at the top of those search results. If your website appears on the first page, especially in the top three results, more people will visit your site. This can help you get more visitors, leads, and customers without paying for ads. In short, SEO helps your business or blog grow by attracting free and relevant traffic. How SEO works. SEO has three main parts: on-page SEO. This includes everything you do on your website, using the right keywords, writing helpful content, adding proper heading, and optimizing images. Second, off-page SEO. This includes activities done outside your website, such as getting links from other trusted websites. These links are like votes of confidence for your content. Third, technical SEO. This focuses on the technical side, such as website speed, mobile responsiveness, making sure search engines can easily read your site. To summarize, SEO means making your content easier to find on search engines. It helps bring in more visitors without paying for ads, and it is one of the most valuable digital marketing skills you can learn. In future videos, we'll discuss how to do keyword research, key tools you can use, and simple SEO strategies. You can even apply as a beginner. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on digital marketing. Thank you.